Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis of the Euro US Dollar FX for Tuesday, September 18, 2012. Well, a change of trend today, and the candle has made a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading, I suggested there was strong potential for a change of trend. We had this very strong second time frame uptrend with the market trading up through the Ichimoku cloud and through this zone of resistance, this large zone, in a very bullish way. Very strong first time frame uptrend, and then we had two Japanese candlestick reversal patterns, the Harami pattern and the tweezers top pattern, and today we have had confirmation of the change of trend and confirmation of those patterns with a candle making a lower high and a lower low. A very large black body candle too, so the sellers have found some strong downside momentum throughout the trading day. They took out the potentially strong support area at 130.79 in a bearish manner, but have found support at the 130.25 level, which was a previous important level, and we saw some price rejection from that area. So moving forward for tomorrow, that is an important level if the market is going to trade to lower levels. Potentially strong support down just below the 130 level at 129.68, and then extending down to the Tenkan Sen trading at 128.98. Considering how strong this first time frame uptrend has been, generally when we have retracements, the Tenkan Sen is a very important level of support for this market, and we should see the market turn around and the buyers come back into this market when or if the market does find equilibrium down around that level. Now, in terms of the large black body on this candle, it suggests that the sellers have established some very strong downside momentum. They've made a substantial amount of net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, and they've closed the market down towards the low, suggesting that the sellers have closed with control of this market, and very strong control, although they did lose some commitment, as I've already mentioned, around the 130.25 level. So a day where the sellers have really been in the ascendancy. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're now examining the relationship of the new first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending down, and here today we've seen the market has already interacted with the 100% level, and that's exactly at this area where the market has closed around the 130.45 level. So a very, very important area here, and we saw the market test down below there and be rejected from there. So there is potential for a change of trend, but looking at the color of this candle and the large size of the body and where the sellers have closed with control, it's not likely that we will see the buyers change the trend in this market over the next day or so. It does seem possible that the market could extend down to the 161.8% level at 129.67, which coincides with that important support level roughly. So a possibility that we could end up trading down to there, but we still should watch the current candle as it's forming for a potential higher high and higher low, and basically because of the interaction around this support level, and it's been strengthened by the fact that it is a 100% retracement. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the previous uptrend, now that we're in a downtrend, and the market hasn't interacted with any levels at the moment, there is potential for the market to interact with the 23.6% level, which is just below where the market's trading, and that's only a minor level. So if we do see the market trade down through there, there's a strong potential for the market to find support around the 38.2%, which is 129.15, and is very close to where the Tenkan Sen is trading at the moment. So that's a very, very strong level, as I've already mentioned. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously a market which is bullish in all three time frames. We're trading above the cloud, above the Kijun Sen, the pink line, and above the Tenkan Sen. So a very, very bullish market, confirmed by the Chica span trading above the corresponding price action. And with this market being so strongly bullish, it's little wonder that we've seen the sellers start to come into this market. The buyers have relaxed. We do have very strong support down below. The short-term dynamics aren't supporting the buyers at the moment, but the overall trends to the upside are still intact in the longer to the shortest time frame. Let's watch how the market reacts to some of these levels, the 130.25 level, and just below there at 129.68, or down to the 128.98 level around the Tenkan Sen. If we see buyers coming in, then there's probably a fairly good possibility that the market will bounce off those levels and trade to higher levels. We do have some decent resistance up around this 130, 173 level, where we had strong rejection over the prior 2 days to today, and that will be a very important level. But at the moment, the 130.25 level here is crucial to this market if we are going to see the market continue trading to lower levels.